Blacklisting a customer. Let's say that you don't believe the excuse Rollo gave you for canceling his reservation and would prefer to not allow him to make another reservation. You can add him to the warning list. First, you need to find him. Since he's no longer on the rack, let's try finding him with Find Customers. You can get this from the Customers menu, but there's a shortcut too. Press Ctrl-U on the keyboard. The Find Customers dialog will appear. Unless the last search was different, it will be ready to search by last name. Just enter part of the last name and starts with field. Rollo will be good enough. It doesn't matter whether it's upper or lowercase, then press the Enter key. Rollo will be shown. The first entry is always selected after a search, so all you have to do is press Enter again to open that customer's detail. If he wasn't the first entry, you can just use the arrow keys to move to the right one before pressing Enter, or just double-click it with the mouse. Customer details will be shown for Rollo. We want to set his warning flag, and also enter the reason in the notes. You'll see that when you click on the warning flag box, a bright red icon shows up. This will be shown on the new reservation dialog if this customer is selected for a reservation, so it's hard to miss. You may be wondering why the notes we made when the reservation was canceled don't show up here. That's because the reservation notes stay with the reservation separate from the customer notes. Otherwise, you would end up with lots and lots of notes on the customer's record, which would likely be obsolete once the reservation is passed. If you ever want a list of all blacklisted customers, you can get through the Customers menu, Customers with Warning Flags. And that is it for blacklisting a customer.